Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Asus laptop 15.6 inches, Vivobook 15 inches. You can see the model number and specification here. The model number is the X1504V model. Comes with a Core i5 13th generation processor, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD M.2 NVMe, 15.6 inches Full HD screen. Comes with a Windows 11 Home Edition by default. Let's open the box. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Let's see what are the things inside the box. Laptop and accessories. This is the accessories inside the box. Comes with the 1.5 meter power cable, UK type. It's a 3-pin power cable. Have a look. This is a 3-pin power cable inside. And power adapter. It's a round pin power adapter. There is no type C in this one. Round pin power adapter. It's a small pin, black color. Round pin. It's a 45 watts power adapter. Very small, 45 watts. And 19 voltage, 2.37 ampere. So let's see what is the design of this unit. 15.6 inches budget laptop. These are the manual inside, user manual. So let's see the unit. This is the design on top. It's a light blue color. And side look. This is the side look of the unit. It's a little thicker, not slim. This is the front side look and other side. The speaker you can see bottom they given. These are the ports are available and right side. This is the back side look of this unit. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel. Let's open the unit. One hand we can lift this unit. The hinges are very strong. This is the design of the unit. You can see the hi-fi sticker, 13th generation, Core i5. And keyboard look. Does not have any backlight. It's a normal keyboard only. This is a budget laptop, so there is no backlight in this one. The power button you can see on top of the keyboard. Power button. It comes with a full size keyboard. And here you can see the system information of the keyboard feature. Comes with a Sonic Master speaker. .6 inches Full HD screens. And here you can see the webcam with privacy shutter, built-in mic. This is a rubber gripper. This machine unit will go 180 degrees. 180 degrees you can see here. It's a flat 180 degrees. This model comes with a 1.7 kg. It's a regular weight on 15 inches model. 1.7 kg. You can see the flat view on screen. So one hand we can lift and close. Let's see the back side. This is the backside look of this unit. Comes with the 2 speaker on backside and screws to upgrade. This is a ventilation system. airflow will go come and out. This is a complete look. Smooth touchpad. It's a very smooth touchpad. Here you can see full size keyboard. It's a chiclet keyboard with a number pad. Very smooth keyboard. Here you can see the Asus Vivobook logo on front side. It's a good design, budget laptop. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.